Time now for Eyewitness News. Call 12 for action. We do have new details tonight on a story we first told you about last night on Eyewitness News at 11. The FDA has announced a massive recall of 62 million glucose test strips.
That's because the test strips can report a false reading, resulting in the patient giving themselves a dangerous dose of insulin. Problem solver Susan Hogan has more on this very important recall.
If you're diabetic and you use the Novamax blood glucose test strips, we're talking to you. The FDA is warning you to check the box to see if you have the recalled product. Using them could require immediate medical attention. Take a good look at these pictures. The FDA is working with Nova Diabetes Care to recall 21 lots of glucose test strips marketed under the brand names Novamax Blood Glucose Test Strips and Novamax Plus Glucose Meter Kits. The test strips under recall may report a false, abnormally high blood glucose result. Under certain conditions, this could result in an insulin dosing error requiring immediate medical attention.
I test 4 times a day.
Mike Morrow, a diabetic, does not use the brand that has been recalled, but tells us how critical an accurate glucose reading is to any person with diabetes.
If it's giving you a false reading that tells you you're really high and you give yourself a bolus of insulin and you're normal and you drop yourself to 40, you're in some real dangerous territory. That's when you can go to sleep and not wake up.
According to the recall notice, the test strips were manufactured from December 2011 to April 2013. They became contaminated with a chemical used during the manufacturing process. The FDA says patients should stop using the recalled strips immediately. Watch for signs of high and low blood sugar. Bottom line, don't ignore the signs and symptoms. Call 12 for action. Contact a Rhode Island hospital. They do not use the recalled test strips at their hospitals. We have a lot more information for you regarding this massive recall. Log on to WPRI.com and click on Call 12 for action. And if you have a consumer problem you need help solving, contact our Call 12 for Action Center Monday through Thursday from 11 until 1. Hotline 228-1850. I'm problem solver Susan Hogan, Eyewitness News.